If you eat this kind of food, the blood will grow, get rid of diseases and give strength to the body. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch videos like this. Click the little bell to get notified as soon as today's video is posted. This video aims to educate people suffering from iron deficiency about some nutrients that should be added to their daily diet.
You know that even if a component of the blood is reduced, it will affect the whole time. A story told by many people is that the blood is not enough in the body. Today, we are going to talk about the foods that increase the blood in the body. What does it mean that blood is growing in the body? The increase in blood in the body means the increase in the amount of hemoglobin in the blood. The higher the amount of hemoglobin in the blood, the better the health. That means that the more red blood cells increase, the more they breathe and the less oxygen they take. Not enough hemoglobin or healthy red blood cells in the blood is the main cause of anemia. People suffering from anemia may experience shortness of breath, headache, paleness of the body, chest pain, and other medical conditions. Iron deficiency is the most common cause of anemia. Therefore, adding iron-rich foods to your diet will help you recover from iron deficiency. Let's see if we are new to this food that grows blood in the body. Red meat. Red meat, especially beef, is rich in iron and is good for skin and muscle growth. Spinach. Spinach contains 20% of the daily iron requirement for a person. Beans. A pea-sized pea contains 5 milligrams of iron. Beetroot. Beetroot contain iron and can help purify the blood. Peanut. Since peanuts contain iron, the risk of iron deficiency can be reduced in a daily diet. Oats. Oats bring energy to the body and have the ability to produce enough red blood cells, so it is better to eat oats as breakfast. Buy oni with iron and vitamin E for best results. Eggs. Eggs contain iron and eating 1 egg a day helps to increase the level of iron in the body. Pomegranate. Pomegranate shops and vitamins. It is a more beneficial fruit. Dates. Dates contain iron and a cup of dates contains 5 milligrams of iron. Tomato. Tomatoes are said to protect you from anemia, and because tomatoes are rich in vitamin K and lactoquine, tomatoes also have the ability to fight cancer and protect you. Honey. Honey can be used as a substitute for sugar, and honey is rich in iron. In addition, honey contains many vitamins and minerals that your body needs to stay healthy. Contains. If you add the above-mentioned iron-containing foods to your diet, also add vitamin K-rich foods to your daily diet for the absorption of the iron contained in those foods.